Hello everyone, Monisha here. In this session we are going to discuss about exercise 3.4 first main. In exercise 3.4 first main, we have to solve the pair of linear equations to find out the value of x and y in two methods, one in elimination method and the one in substitution method. Each question we have to solve in both the methods and we have to tally the answer. There are 4 sub questions in this main. Let us start the session. Let us do the first sum of this session. Here the linear equation has been given. We have to do both elimination method and also substitution method and we have to verify the answers. First I will do the elimination method of it. So x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. In order to eliminate one of the variable should be same. So here x and 2x is there. First equation also I want to multiply it with 2 so that the 2x will become equal to each other. So 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 2 5s are 10. And the second equation we have to write as it is. So now the x variable is same. Now we can change the sign. After that here, after changing the sign we have to neglect the center sign of it. Okay. So here first and the last we have to take into account. Plus 2x and minus 2x get cancels. Here plus into plus is plus. So 2y plus 3y is 5y and larger number sign will be plus here. Here plus into minus minus, so 10 minus 4 is 6. So here y is equal to 6 by 5. So this y is equal to 6 by 5. We can substitute it to either equation 1 or equation 2. So I will be taking equation 1. X plus y is equal to 5. X plus y value is 6 by 5 is equal to 5. In the next step I will be taking 6 by 5 either side. So x is equal to 5 5s are 25 minus 6 divided by 5 which is equal to 19 by 5. So here x value is 19 by 5. X value is 19 by 5 and y value is 6 by 5. This is by elimination method. So here we have to do substitution method as we have done in the previous 3.3 exercise. Here first equation is x plus y is equal to 5 which is equation 1. This I will, and second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is equation 2. So I will interchange the first equation, that is x is equal to 5 minus y. This is equation 3. Now I will substitute equation 3 in 2. Substitute equation 3 in 2. So the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. The second equation I need to substitute the value x here. X, instead of x we can write 5 minus y, minus 3y is equal to 4. 2 5s are 10, minus 2 into y 2y, minus 3y is equal to 4. Here minus into minus plus, so 3y plus 2y is 5y. Larger number sign we need to write. So I will be shifting 5 this side and 4 either side. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 5y, 6 is equal to 5y. Therefore y is equal to 6 by 5. Next I will substitute this y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation 3. Equation 3 is x is equal to 5 minus 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Again cross multiply, x is equal to 25 minus 6 by 5. That is x is equal to 19 by 5. So by both elimination and substitution method we can verify it. That is x is equal to, in both the method we will get x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. So this is the verification. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the second question. Here the equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 is the first equation, and second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. The second equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Since all the variable have 2 as the coefficient, I have divided it through 2. So the equation will become x minus y is equal to 1. So here in elimination method one of the variables should be same. So here 3x is there and here x. So the second equation I will be multiplying it with 3 so that x variable, the coefficient of x will become 3x. So first equation you write as it is, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. The second equation you multiply it with 3. So 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. So next change the sign. So 3x get cancels. So plus into plus is plus. So 4y plus 3y will become 7y is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 1s are 7, y is equal to 1. The value of y is 1. So this value of y 1, we can substitute it in one or the second equation. So here I will be using the second equation, equation 2. Equation 2 is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So in the place of y, you have to substitute 1 here. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to 2 plus 2. So 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. In the same way, we have to do it in substitution method. Here the first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, and second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So the second equation I will be interchanging x is equal to y plus 1, this as third, and I will be substituting the third equation in first because I have interchanged the second equation. So substitute equation 3 in 1. So the first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. In the place of x, I need to include it as y plus 1 plus 4y is equal to 10. Next multiply 3y plus 3 plus 4y is equal to 10. So 3y plus 4y is 7y. I will be shifting this 3 to right side. So 10 minus 3. So 7y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 1. The value of y is 1. So now I will be using equation 3 so that I will get the value for x there. X is equal to y plus 1. X is equal to y. We have got 1. 1 plus 1, that is x is equal to 2. Therefore, from both equation, from both method, that is elimination and substitution method, we got the value x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So therefore it is verified. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the third question of this session. So here the first equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, and the second equation is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. If the equation has given in this way, we have to rearrange it in this form, that is x, y and is equal to and then a constant. X then y is equal to and after a constant. In this way we can solve the problem easily. Okay. So here elimination means one of the variable should be same. Either the x variable should be same or the y variable should be same. So here it is 3x and it is 9x. So in order to make it same, the first equation I will be multiplying it with 3. So that 3 3s are 9, both the variable will become same. So first equation is 9x minus 3 5s are 15y is equal to 4 3s are 12. So here 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Next we need to interchange the sign. 9x will get cancels, minus into plus is minus. So 15 minus 2 is 13y. Larger number sign, that is minus 13, is equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. Larger number is 12, plus sign will be there. So y is equal to 5 by minus 13. So this is the value for y. So this value we have to substitute it in equation 1 or equation 2. I will be taking equation 1 here. That is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. In the place of y, we need to substitute 5 by minus 13 is equal to 4. So here 3x minus into minus, it will become plus. 5 5s are 25 divided by 13 is equal to 4. So next I will be shifting this 25 that side. So 4 minus 25 divided by 13. So 3x is equal to, so here 13 4s are 52 minus 25 divided by 13. So 3x is equal to 52 minus 25 is 27 divided by 13. Here 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. So the value of x is 9 by 13 and the value of y is 5 by minus 13. So the same way we have to do it for substitution method. So here the first equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, which is equation 1, and second equation is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7, equation 2. So here the first equation I will be rearranging. 3x is equal to 4 plus 5y. So x is equal to 4 plus 5y divided by 3. So this is the value for x. So this will be taken as equation 3. Since I have arranged the first equation, I will be substituting it in second equation. So equation 2, in the place of x, I need to substitute 4 plus 5y divided by 3 minus 2y is equal to 7. So 9 4s are, so if it is divisible then we can divide it. That is 3 3s are 9. So 3 4s are 12 plus 3 5s are 15 by minus 2y is equal to 7. So 12, 15 minus 2 is 13y is equal to 7. So 13y is equal to, I will be shifting this 12 this side. So it will become minus 12. 13y is equal to minus 5. So the value of y is minus 5 by 13. One thing you have to keep it in mind. So if it is 5 by minus 13 or minus 5 by 13, both are same. Okay, you should not get confused in that. So 5 by minus 13 and minus 5 by 13 both are same. It will be minus 5 by 13, or this minus will come here. So both. So y answer is this. So this I will be substituting it in equation 3 in order to get the x value. X is equal to 4 plus 5y. In the place of y, I will be substituting minus 5 by 13 whole divided by 3. So here 4 plus into minus, minus 5 5s are 25 divided by 13 whole divided by 3. So 13 4s are 52 minus 25 whole divided by, this 13 will come in the numerator. Okay, so it will be 3 into 13. So this is 27 divided by 3 into 13. Here 3 1s are, 3 9s are. Therefore the value of x is 9 by 13. So from both substitution and elimination method we can see here x value is 9 by 13. Here also x value 9 by 13. And y value is minus 5 by 13. This is y value is minus 5 by 13. So this proves the equations are proper. Moving on to the last question of this session. Here it is, the question is given in the form of fraction, that is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. By taking LCM we can rearrange it in the form of 3x plus 4y minus 6. In the same way the second equation can be rearranged in the form of 3x minus y is equal to 9. So first in elimination method we have to write both the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. Since the x variable is same, we can directly do the elimination of it. Plus 3x and minus 3x get cancels. Here plus into plus is plus. So 5y is equal to, minus into minus we have to do addition of it. So 15 and larger number sign is minus. So 5 3s are 15. So the value of minus, that is y, is minus 3. So next, moving on to the first equation. First equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. So in the place of y we have to substitute a y value. So 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6. So 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. So 3x is equal to 6. That is 3 2s are. The value of x is 2. So we got value of x is 2 and y is 3. In the same fashion we have to do substitution method also. Here the first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. This is the first equation, and second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 9, which is the second equation. So I will be interchanging the second equation. So I will be sending y to minus y to right hand side. So 3x minus 9 is equal to y, which is equation number 3. Since I have interchanged the second equation, I need to substitute the third equation in equation 1. So substitute 3 in 1. The first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. So in the place of y, I need to substitute the value as 3x minus 9 is equal to minus 6. So 3x plus 4 3s are 12x minus 9 4s are 36 is equal to minus 6. So 3x plus 12x is equal to minus 36. I will be shifting to right hand side. It will be plus 36 minus 6. So 3x plus 12x is 15x is equal to 36 minus 6 is 30. So 15 1s are, 15 2s are. So the value of x is 2. So the value of x, I will be substituting it in third equation. So equation 3 is 3x minus 9 is equal to y. And in the place of x, we need to substitute 2 here. 3 2s are 6 minus 9 is equal to y. So the value of y is 6 minus 9 minus 3. So from both elimination substitution method, we can verify that is x value is 2 and y value is minus 3. So it is proved. So this was the last question of exercise 3.4 first main. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment me on the comment section. Thank you.